D5K installation reference video. Instruction manual and warranty card. D5K host small and portable OLED screen wired controller bracket, GPS module, 3-in-1 power cable, host bracket, host waterproof cover, tire pressure sensor kits, USB test cable and TIs. Host bracket installation. Put the host in the circular bracket. Unscrew the screw on one side of the 360° bracket. Install the bracket on the bicycle pole and tighten the screws on both sides to secure it. Align the circular bracket with the connection port of the 360° bracket, and then tighten and fix it with a large screw. Rotate the bracket for angle adjustment. Wired controller bracket installation. First, place the bottom bracket on the handlebar for comparison to see if it is suitable. Choose a suitable bottom bracket for installation. First, place the screw into one end of the bracket and tighten it. Then fix the other end with screw. After installation, shake it to confirm if it is secure. Install GPS. Choose whether to use an extension cable according to your needs. Tear the adhesive tape on the back of GPS and paste it to fix it. Thread the Type-C port of 3-in-1 cable through the waterproof cover. The memory card can be installed first. Please note the direction when installing. Connect the Type-C port to the charging port of the host. Put the waterproof cover on. Connect the wired controller to the port of 3-in-1 cable. The GPS cable is also connected according to the corresponding color. Then use cable TIs to secure these cables to prevent disorganized cables. You can use the USB test cable to connect the host and the 5V power bank to charge the recorder. The blue light flashing slowly means it's charging. If not charging, please put on the waterproof cover. Tire pressure sensors installation. Screw the metal gasket into the air nozzle. Then install the front tire pressure sensor. Move the metal gasket next to the tire pressure sensor, tighten and fix with a wrench. Rear tire pressure is also installed in the same way. After installation, the tire pressure value can be seen. Let's see the effect of the ride.